Go.
This ain't meant for jumping off. We just poured this concrete.
What? This?
This. Smart ass.
I'm talking with me.
I'm talking with her jump off it.
You didn't see him.
Excuse me?
You got like a broken ankle.
Jumping?
No. Well, yeah, but that's what we're doing.
Well, don't be jumping here.
Thanks, Coach. Again.
What?
That wasn't me.
Do you think it's funny? You want your ass to go to jail?
We're laughing.
No, this is called destruction of property.
You just see me jump after you just said you didn't see me do it. That didn't make any sense.
I don't think it's funny. I'll slap the fucking shit out of you. I'll slap the fucking shit out of you. How do you like that?
My father's a cop.
I don't give a fuck. I'm a cop. I work here on the side.
You just 30 seconds ago just said you did not see me do this, and then you're going to call the cops and saying that I did this?
First of all, are any of you employed at RPI? Then you're trespassing.